In 2019 at the Mobile World Congress, it's very clear that we are entering the age of 5G. Yes, 5G is here and we are proud to be associated with a company that's leading at the front when it comes to devices in the market. This video is brought to you by Qualcomm. What's up geeks? Everyone is releasing a 5G smartphone these days. So Samsung is also releasing one. It's called the S10 5G, but it's not the same as the S10 Plus. This one is quite different. So what are all the differences? Let's zoom in. It's got a 6.7-inch screen. It's the same Quad HD plus Super AMOLED screen, but it's 6.7 inches. It's almost as big as a tablet, guys. But listen to this. Look at the notch. There is an extra sensor there between the two cameras. And if I turn around, there are 4 cameras instead of 3 like on the S10 Plus. There is an additional 3D depth sensor. So this phone is capable of doing depth mapping both at the back and at the front. Otherwise, the design and everything looks very similar, except for this design that is coming in more into the front than the other devices. I think it's because of the 5G modem. The 5G modem inside this is the X50 modem and is powered by the Snapdragon 855 chip. It's definitely heavier than the other devices, and also there is a 4500 mAh battery on this one. So this phone, again guys, it's a top end flagship phone. We don't have the price yet, but this is what Samsung has made as its best of the best. It's 5G, it's packed with features, it's a huge phone. I don't know what's gonna happen, but this is it. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G. So we saw the S10 5G and literally every single Samsung Galaxy S10 series smartphone that has been released. Now in the next video, I'm going to compare everything and show you what's similar in all these phones and what's not similar in all these phones as well. So let's go to that video, and if you like this video, hit the like button and give us some love in the comment section below. What do you think of the S10 5G? Do you think this is the most innovative smartphone, or do you prefer the S10 Plus? This is not going to come to India, guys. This is definitely not coming to India anytime soon, and we don't know the price of this as well. So we are not sure what's going to happen to this device, but it's a huge phone and Samsung's top end phone. So let us know in the comment section below, and watch our other videos as well. Other companies are there as well. Watch our entire MWC coverage, and we'll see you in the next video.